Hey everybody! So today we're actually doing an unboxing of a book that I ordered a week or so ago through Thrift Book, so it's secondhand. It's The Art of Tatting Jewelry by Lynn Morton. It's one of the most popular best-selling books on tatting, and I'm eager to give this like a look and see why it's so popular. This copy used to be in the New York Public Library, which I think is pretty neat. Oh, they covered up the little Dewey Decimal thing there. Sorry, I just got home and it's pretty late, and yeah. Anyway, so we'll do a quick little peek inside. Used to be $20. I don't know how much it goes for new now. Yeah. So, I'm going to try to not show you guys any of the actual patterns for copyright reasons, but I do want to take a quick flip through the designs. Ooh, oh, that's some big font. Ooh, that looks like it could be done with single shuttle split rings if done smartly. Although having that many beads on the shuttle would probably be a nightmare. This is a section dedicated to necklaces, beaded flowers. That's lovely. Sorry I keep yawning. Just wanted to tear into this. Whoa, I just realized I'm showing y'all a pattern. Oh no! That's also a pattern. That's also a pattern. Ooh, okay. So each of the 4 seasons. This would be great for ritual wear. They do have a lot of similarities. I figured autumn would have more in the way of leaves and winter would be more in the way of snowflakes. I'm kind of surprised. I feel like summer would have more like golden colors, but it's more berries though, and this is more greens, but I'm just surprised. It doesn't feel quite on brand, but maybe just me looking through the world, just me looking at things through the lens that I look through them. Maybe that's just why I'm noticing and having a difference of opinion. I'm still flipping through, trying to find, oh, templates actual size. Ooh, that's pretty neat. Oh, and I think, did I? Yeah, so it looks like the patterns call for different flowers from this chart, and it's noting colors and stuff like that. Ooh, another single shuttle split ring chain option. That one is definitely not. This would have to be worked with, my guess is a ball. Oh, optional extended chain 2 shuttle split ring, and then you will need. So my guess is for most of this you only need one shuttle. But if you know how to do a single shuttle split ring, you might be able to get away with just doing 1 shuttle. Pendants. These look neat. Ooh. I'm excited to give this book a try and review the pattern making, how the patterns are organized. Ooh, I like this. I wonder how structural it would be. Unless you're tatting on wire, I have my doubts. But I like how it looks a lot. Does it say? No. Anyway, that's all I'm going to look through of this book for now. But yeah, it looks pretty nice. It looks really well laid out. It looks like it can teach me a lot about pattern making, which I'm always trying to learn more because I want to get better and better at it. I want to release a collection of patterns before too long. Maybe even release a little tatting book. I don't know if I'm going to self-publish or not. I have so many little ideas. It's pretty exciting. I keep coming up with ideas. Like, whoop, I need to make some little shims for that. But like this little kitty cat. That's all I'm gonna potentially show of it right now. But yeah, so that's all for the video today. I'm kind of rambling now, so I'm going to end it now. Bye-bye!